Good morning. My name is Vic Chow, and I'd like to welcome you to the NAB show and the Sony booth. My presentation covers Sony's highlights this year. It's the perfect introduction to our exhibit. Our theme for NAB is Powering Today, Transforming Tomorrow. And as the theme suggests, Sony has the technologies that bring you practical advantages now and pave the way to even greater gains in the near future. Sony has been working along two broad lines of development: content value and workflow efficiency. Content value is what drives audiences in, creates demand, delivers ratings, and drives revenue. Workflow efficiency harnesses the power of great hardware in harmony with cloud computing, software as a service, platform as a service, and IT infrastructure to help drive business transformation. To this end, we're offering a choice of intelligent media services. For broadcast news gathering, we've transformed wireless streaming with the XDCam Air service. The service enables streaming, file transfers, multi-point distribution, remote file browsing, remote camera control, and cloud-based storyboarding. XDCam Air features tight integration with Sony's other services, including Media Backbone Hive and Navigator X. In the control room, many customers have discovered the elegance of ELC automation for our MVS and XVS series production switchers. ELC works on-prem or in a centralized operation, interfacing with control room and studio devices, including news production, graphics, prompter, lighting, and more. If you're under pressure to support linear broadcast channels, OTT streams, and web video in news and sports, our Media Backbone Hive network production system is ideal. Hive enables field-based journalists, producers, and editors to collaborate from anywhere in the world, pooling material and tailoring stories. Flexible Hive configurations can support a single station, hub and spoke systems, or cloud hybrid deployment to serve dozens of broadcast stations. To simplify the broadcast, our master control automation scales from a single station to an entire group. Crispin's loading dock and FarLink software make it easy to aggregate content from the cloud and on-prem. And Crispin OTT Link makes it easy to insert commercials into your OTT streams. As your assets proliferate on-premise and in the cloud, you're under increasing pressure to manage them effectively and quickly. Sony's Media Backbone Navigator X utilizes HTML5 apps to quickly ingest, organize, manage, and search content across multiple departments and locations. For even greater efficiency, NVX is now integrated with both Avid and Adobe nonlinear editors. In the continuing quest for greater efficiency, live production infrastructures are migrating from conventional SDI-based plants to IP. That migration is now more secure thanks to the adoption of the transport standard SMPTE ST2110. A wide range of Sony studio cameras, switchers, processors, and servers support 2110, not only in HD, but also 4K. And we're introducing a pair of 4K capable 2110 converter cards, the NXLK IP50Y and IP51Y. IP Live is not just about saving money. It's also about powerful new production configurations, including remote integration, REMI. And Sony's IP-enabled cameras and switchers were featured in the world's first HD REMI production over SMPTE ST2110, achieved by NEP Australia. A key advantage of IP Live is the ability to dynamically share resources and increase equipment utility so that different studios can harness the power of centralized control rooms on demand. That's why our new Live Element Orchestrator reserves resources and configures the system for all your on-demand requirements. As more and more organizations migrate to the cloud, Sony has incorporated major upgrades to our C Media Cloud platform. Integrated artificial intelligence supports object recognition, speech to text, and facial detection. Your assets are easier than ever to search and discover. It's easy to synergize our intelligent media services to address specific business needs. For the National Hot Rod Association, we created just such a combination, building a transformative, customized platform, the new NHRA.TV. This empowers worldwide drag racing fans with access to an entire race weekend of content, 30 hours of exclusive content. The solution begins with automatic uploading of content to our C Media Cloud platform for secure sharing and easy access. So remote teams can view, log, clip, and edit from virtually anywhere. NHRA.TV reaches audiences wherever they are, whenever they want, thanks to Sony's Venue OTT streaming solution. Fans can watch from a smart TV, laptop, or mobile device, all thanks to custom apps developed by Venue. Finally, the NHRA has thousands of hours of race content dating back to 1951. Sony's Memnon Asset Preservation and Digitization Service will begin to digitize this library of historic analog and digital assets, allowing race fans everywhere to enjoy the rich history of the sport. As the NHRA demonstrates, Sony's intelligent media services really deliver on the promise of workflow efficiency, supporting new business models, monetization opportunities, attracting and reaching new audiences with choices of rich content, live or nonlinear, and meeting new customer and fan demands. The other half of Sony's effort is enhancing content value. It starts with Venice, our full-frame digital motion picture camera. Designed in close collaboration with cinema professionals, Venice has been hailed for its exceptional picture quality, elegant ergonomics, and incredibly versatile full-frame sensor. Our Venice extension system, which allows the Venice full-frame imager to be separated from the camera, allows for more capability than ever. Great for mounting on jib arms, gimbals, and 3D rigs. And speaking of 3D, next month Venice will begin shooting principal photography on the sequels to James Cameron's Avatar. Other productions include the first Venice feature film release, Official Secrets, starring Keira Knightley, which had its debut at Sundance. And Venice has joined the Netflix Post-Technology Alliance, which has triggered a rush of Netflix productions shooting on the camera. Now, Venice version 4 software enables you to shoot at 120 frames per second in 4K Super 35 and 60 frames per second in 6K full frame. Stunning high dynamic range footage requires uncompromising HDR monitoring. That's why Sony created the BVM HX310 TriMaster HX monitor. You get the precision, consistency, and accuracy that characterize Sony's TriMaster monitor line, plus 1000 nits full screen brightness. No wonder the HX310 has already been approved for 4K HDR mastering by industry leaders. And I can't mention displays without mentioning the incredible crystal LED screen in front of you. Leading corporations and broadcasters are moving to this technology, with Fox Sports giving pride of place to crystal LED in their Los Angeles studio. We're also advancing the cause of live production. Previewed last year, our XVS 9000 production switcher is the ultimate both-and solution. It supports both IP and 12G SDI, both 4K and HD, both HDR and SDR, and it can output 4K and HD simultaneously in hybrid configurations that today's sports and entertainment events require. The XVS 9000 also handles up to 80 inputs and 40 outputs in 4K. Finally, we've been busy in live production cameras. February's big football game in Atlanta featured our latest addition, the HTC P50 point of view camera. It outputs 4K or HD HDR directly from the body for use on image stabilizers, aerial, and wireless applications. New for NAB is that the HDC P50 will support up to 6 times HD super slow motion. Just recently, we introduced the HDC 3500, a 3CMOS camera equipped with 4K global shutter sensors. This camera outputs native 4K or HD. At this NAB show, we're taking the next step, introducing the HDC 5500 portable camera, the world's first 2/3 inch 4K global shutter 3CMOS system camera with direct 4K signal output capability in 12G SDI. And the camera achieves an impressive 8 times HD super slow motion. The launch of the HDC 5500 is just the latest example of how Sony continues to lead the way in helping you create your content value. And customers for intelligent media services are scoring dramatic victories in workflow efficiency. We invite you to find out more in our exhibit, where knowledgeable Sony representatives stand ready to answer your questions. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention and have a great show.